What's up, everybody? This is Monty for Unboxed Product Review. Today I am back with another product review. Today we're going to review this hair dryer stylist. Stay tuned. Alright, so you can see this is the one-step hair dryer styler hot air brush. It's a brush and a blow dryer, one-step hair dryer and styler. Right here on the back, it says better, less damage, 360 swivel cord, turbine technology, flexible, tough, free, and it's lightweight design. So let's just go ahead and open up the box. And right here is the user manual. Right here it shows you that your hair gets silky smooth, straight. You can also use it to curl it. You've got your tip, cool tip, your non-detachable brush head, innovative bristles, and then you've got your blow dryer at the bottom where you turn the on and off switch. Right here you get your standard clips. So you can section each part of your head, and this is the brush. So let's just go ahead and take it out of the plastic. This is by Crenova. It is just like the Revlon. So now at the bottom, this is where you will turn on your hair blow dryer. You can see there's off, low, middle, and high. So what you would do is you would go ahead and turn this right side, which is the pink, all the way down for off. You would turn it all the way up for high. As you can see right here, each one of these lights will light up once you click on one of the settings. It's got a very good power cord. Here at the top is where it's a cooling tip, so you can go ahead and turn your brush around without fear of it burning your fingers. Very nice, sleek design. Not very heavy at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn it on so you guys can hear what it sounds like. It is not loud. It's like half of the side of a blow dryer. As you can see, this does have a blow dryer inside of it. It gets very hot when you turn on to high. So this is a very good blow dryer. Okay, so now that we got this blow dryer hairbrush unboxed and reviewed, if you are interested in purchasing this, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new product review. You can also check me out at Monty'sReviewChannel.com. Thanks for watching.